In section 1, we covered essential topics such as publishers, advertisers, media agencies, ad servers, ad networks, and an introduction to ad exchange. If you have not watched those videos, feel free to check out the links provided in the description below. This slide shows an overview of programmatic ecosystem, which includes various ad tech platforms and ad tech players. While we have already covered some of these in section 1, there are still so much to explore. Like ad exchanges, DSP demand side platforms, DMP data management platforms, SSP supply side platforms, real time bidding, inventory types. Likewise, there are so many programmatic concepts. Understanding these concepts and their interrelation is crucial. Programmatic subject might be difficult to understand and connect at first, especially for newcomers to online advertising. But in order to progress your career in digital advertising, especially in programmatic, you need to go through all of these topics and will be covered from now on. For those new to digital advertising or transitioning into this industry from any educational background, I recommend starting with foundational topics covered in section 1. If you already have experience in digital marketing or familiar with programmatic, you can jump right into section 2. Now let's take a glance at the topics we will be covering in this section 2. Comparison between direct media buying and real-time bidding with detailed subtopics. Understanding ad exchange and RTB. Explaining programmatic advertising. Various methods of buying and selling inventory and targeting concepts. I will also walk you through the programmatic advertising ecosystem by explaining sell side and buy side of this ecosystem with subtopics in detail and behind scenes of how actually programmatic works, and will also explain major ad tech platforms in the industry. It's time for us to learn and understand what exactly programmatic advertising is and how it works, with all the concepts from basics to advanced in the simplest way. Section 1 in this course ended with introduction to ad exchange topic, but to fully understand this crucial topic, we first need to take a step back by exploring direct media buying and selling. Next, we will cover real-time bidding or RTB, where the advertisers bid in real time for ad impressions, ensuring the right ad reaches the right person at right time. Finally, we will connect it all by diving into ad exchange, where these transactions come together in a seamless and automated environment. So without further confusion, let's jump into the next video and start on exciting journey of understanding programmatic advertising.